Hello students, come back to chapter 4, Marching to Freedom. In previous class we were discussing about the Dandi March. The Mahatma Gandhi and few people, they started their journey, the Dandi March from Gujarat to the sea called Dandi, and after reaching there they will make salt. So here we were discussing that this Dhani went to Chacha Binda and asked about the making the salt. Why they want to make the salt? So Chacha laughed and said, but we all have to pay tax on salt, as the people, when they buy salt from the shop, they have to pay the tax for the salt. So everyone needs salt, and we need salt in everything. Salt is very essential thing. So whatever food we take, we eat, we have to add salt on it. So even the poorest person have to pay tax for this. So this Chacha explained to Dhani. This is really unfair. Dhani's eyes were hot with anger. Now hearing this, Dhani was so angry, and he said that this is really unfair. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi has asked the British to stop the tax, but they have refused. And Mahatma Gandhi, many times he asked the British people to stop taking tax, but many times this British people have refused it. So he has decided to walk to Dandi and make salt from seawater. So he decided to go to Dandi, and from the seawater he wanted to make salt. Why don't they take a bus or a train to Dandi? So in this again he is questioning to Binda Chacha, that why they don't take train or bus to go to Dandi, and they are walking and going. Because if he walks all the way to Dandi, the news will spread more and more, and people will join him. So Binda Chacha explained to him that if they walk and go, many people will see them walking, and news will spread everywhere, and many people will join him. Gandhiji is very clever. Dhani's eyes were shining, and now Dhani was so happy hearing the cleverness of Gandhiji. After this, Dhani went to his father. Now he ran to his father. Pitaji, I want to go to Dandi with Gandhiji. Now he is asking permission from Papa, saying that Pitaji, I want to go to Dandi with Gandhiji. You can't walk so much, Dhani. Now Papa is telling, you cannot walk so far, so long journey they are going to have, and you will not be able to walk. I am 9 and can run very fast, Dhani replied. Now Dhani is telling about his age. I am 9 years old and I can run very fast. His father explained, only the people who have been chosen by Mahatma Ji will go. Means the people whom Mahatma Gandhi has chose, only those people can go, not you. Fine, I will talk to him then. Now Dhani went told to Papa, that's okay, I will go and talk to Gandhiji. I am sure he will say yes, said Dhani, and marched off. Then he made convinced of his going to his Papa, and he ran to Gandhiji. The next morning, as the sun came up, Gandhiji went out for a walk around the ashram. Dhani and Bini followed him. And next morning, when Gandhiji was having his morning walk in the ashram, then Dhani and Bini went to Gandhiji. Finally, Gandhiji headed back to his hut. Then Gandhiji, when he came back to his hut, he sat down in the veranda and called called out to Dhani. Then he called out to Dhani. Come here, child. Dhani ran up with Beni, skipping along. Now, along with Beni, Dhani ran and came to Gandhiji. What's your name? Gandhiji asked, what is your name? The boy replied, Dhani Gandhiji. And this is your God, he said, and this is your God. Then he replied, yes, Gandhiji, this is my friend Beni, who gives the milk you drink every morning. The milk which you drink every morning is by this goat. I take care of her, Dhani said proudly, and very proudly he said to Gandhiji that I take care of this Beni. Can I come with you to Dandi? Then now he is asking permission to Gandhiji. Shall I also come with you to Dandi? Dhani asked nervously. He was a little nervous when he asked about this. Gandhiji smiled and said, yes, you can, but there is a problem. If you go with me, who will take care of Beni? Now Gandhiji is telling, yes, you can come with me, there is no problem. But one problem is there that if you come with me, who will take care of Beni? We are going to have 1 month journey. After walking for so long, I will come back weak. I will become weak. Means after walking so long, I will become weak. Means then when I come back, I will need to drink lots of milk to become strong again. Then when I come back, I need a lot of milk to become strong again. You are right, Gandhiji. Now this boy is telling, Dhani is telling, and you are telling, right, Gandhiji. Beni eats only when I feed her. Beni eats only when this Dhani feed her. Dhani lovingly stroked Beni's head. Now he just touched the head of Beni. Exactly. So, will you stay in the ashram and take care of Beni for me? Gandhiji is telling. Then will you stay back in the ashram and take care of the Beni? Yes, Gandhiji, I will, said Dhani. Then Dhani said, yes, I will take care of Beni. And Beni and I will be waiting for you. Then Dhani is telling, wait till you come back to ashram. Beni and myself will be waiting for you. We're waiting for your return. So this is the story, and this is a very good story, and this is a real story. Somehow you have to read or the lesson once again, go through it and understand well. Thank you.